Hi, John here, John Ozzy of AudaCity Capital, Head of Training and Development. Today I'm reviewing the account of Badr. Badr has been trading with us from the 16th of November 2020 and up until this present date of review 7th of May 2021. And Badr has hit 30,000 US dollars, which is level 2. Badr has had an absolute gain of a deficit of minus 2.17%, a daily gain of 0.01%, and a drawdown of 8.20%. But at the same time, Badr has hit 10%. So this is a very interesting account. A total of 401 trades have been taken, and Badr has won 308 out of 401, which represents 77% gain, and lost 93 out of 401, which represents 23%. So Badr has been trading for quite a period of time, just shy of a year. So we got 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. But overall, we hit 10%. Looking at the monthly analytics for 2020, Badr had a deficit of minus 2.19% in November and a deficit of minus 2.6% in December. So clearly, it wasn't a great start to the program. But in 2021, Badr had another didn't trade in January. Maybe Badr took some time out to learn and reflect on the mistakes and come with an effective trading plan. And we can see the big difference in March by 8.99%, followed by 2.88%, and down now again by minus 3.13%. But overall, for the year to date in the last 4 months, we can see Badr has made a significant improvement. So let's see how this was achieved. So Badr only traded 4 pairs: pound AUD, pound yen, pound dollar, US dollar CAD. And what I'll tell Badr right now is stick to the pairs that bring you the most profits. So I will abandon the pound AUD because you're not good at trading it and you've lost the bulk of your capital and gains on this pair. So you've lost a total of 657 pips, but you made a total of 379.50, 364.90, and 10.2 on the other pairs. So really and truly, the pound yen and pound dollar are your most effective pairs. And if you stick to what you know, you're going to be successful. And let me give you some tips as well on trading psychology. Trade what you understand. Trade the pairs you understand, which is the pound yen and pound US dollar from what we can see. Always use a relatively small stop loss to get a high reward. Trade with no emotions. How can you improve your trading? Over the weekend, backtest your strategy for at least 2 hours a day. Read psychology books like Mark Douglas' Trading in the Zone. Join a community of support like the AudaCity Community app. Pay attention to the webinars I host randomly once a month. When you're in doubt, just stay on the sidelines and don't trade. Keep your lot sizes consistent and, more importantly, maintain discipline and consistency. And always use a stop loss. As we can see, there are no stop losses here, but you're hitting your targets. That's great because you're averaging 4.7 to 10 pips per trade. That's fine. That's why it's taking to get a long time to get there. But overall, we're still getting our profits. So that's very good. But I'll just recommend in the long run going forward, use a stop loss. It protects you from uncertainty. And I'm not taking nothing away from your achievement. Less is more, and this is really good. But as a trader, you have to always understand you can be a better trader by improving certain things and also challenging yourself to be better as well. So looking at your account, we can see the consistent gains over time that has helped you to achieve your percentage gain. So congratulations, and I look forward to seeing you make these improvements and following on the recommendations I've said, and hopefully this should get you to the next level. Congratulations again.